Abanyorenya barungi mali mbewewe nywe muwulirize mbasobole mbewewe inyo tukwataniza abanyoroitwe mali mbewewe tweteraniza abanyoroitwe mbewewe nutuhanule kimu bene baitu mbewewe nk'abaana banyinemu mbewewe abanyoro tuleke ngambanye nkamali mbewewe banyoro tuleke mbohanyenka mbewewe banyoro mwijuke mbohanyenka mbewewe nekamale bigogo mu bitoke mbechali ninyo turwanire bunyoro yaitu mali mbewewe chali tugole kitinisa kyaitu mbewewe chali tutegekera ba
egabarozi baitu abakitara TV mwebare kwija kiro kino amabara kugonza empaka kiki kiro kino entekaniza yaitu tujesere endamukya Yega Orunyakitara entekaniza is endamukya. Endamukya ni Kumanyisa greetings. So likatandika abatamanyire Orunyakitara rulimu endimi za Western Uganda na South Western. So Western Uganda tuinayo abagungu, abanyara, abaruli, abanyoro, abatuku, batoro, banyachaka, banyamwenge, batagwenda, banyabindi, basongora na ababwisi. South Western tuinayo banyaruguru, bahuma, bahima, bahororo, bachiga, banyankore, bahema, bazinza, bakerewe, bahaya, banyambo, baziba. So bandu bona bakora Orunyakitara. So reka tandike endamukya yaitu kiro kino. So tandike ikigambo ikikubanza. Kubanza is kigambo good morning. Good morning mnaka mu Western Uganda tugamba orairota. In Southwestern bagamba orireje. So kile kigambo nosakozesa kugamba nka orairota mama. Mama nagarukamu ndaire kurungi mutabani. In Southwestern no basagamba oraireje. Oraireje mama then ogarukamu ndaireje mutabani. Ekindi ekikozesebwa Western by to Southwestern by Samuno, which is also reverse to good morning or this morning, is nosagamba bukire. Bukire means it's morning, you know. So nosagamba nka bukire amoti, you know. Nagarikamba bukira kiki. It's morning, you know. Ekindi is osibe kurungi, which means good day. It can mean goodbye or good evening, you know, osibe. So in Western Uganda tugamba osibe kurungi, and in Southwestern bagamba osibeji. So kigambo nosagamba osibe kurungi mama, then your mother nagamba osibe kurungi mutabani, you know. In Southwestern they will say osibeji. Osibeje mama, then mama jakam osibeje mutabani, you know. The Gambia king is how was your day, you know, maybe in the evening mazirakora. How is your day? Western tugamba osibirota rundi oyirirota, you know. And in Southwestern bagamba osibireje, you know. So the difference is Southwestern, but they come with J, you know. There is between the G and A, but they come with J osibirege. So nosoragamba Western nosogamba osibirota mama, you know, nagarukamu insibire kurungi mutabani. Rundi osibeje in South osibeje mama. Sibire kurungi sibireje, nagaruka musibereje mutabani. Ekindi kigambo is good night. Good night mu southwestern, mu western tugamba orare kurungi. In southwestern they say orareje. So no gamba orare kurungi mama. Even your mother would reply orare kurungi mutabani. In southwestern they will say orareje mama. Nagarukam orareje mutabani. So oko niko kuramucha western. So katobanza tugenda mukuhumura tugaruka n'ikico cy'efe cya kabiri. Sauliza kano akazina kabasemere.
Kikikano bugabuga nko mwana talyo wabu abarungi baliza. Kikikano churachura nko mwana taino wabu abarungi baliza. Oboli sweke kiswabuli emirindio ginuke abarungi baliza. Oboli sweke kiswabuli emirindio ginuke abarungi baliza. Kusoba sobo mukairi mano sereki wabanoyo ya abarungi baliza.
Mwebala borosbaito bakta TV kanihire akakazina kabasemize. So ikishoka cyato icya kabiri alabine bigambo anabyo abikozesa mu western by kunti babikozesa kandi ebindi bikozesa bakunu kandi mu western tubikozesa. Kugeza kigambo nka so no saga maybe no rago muntu no mugamba goodbye or stay well, you know. So no sagamba in western Uganda no sagamba ogorove, you know. In western gamba ogorove, in southwestern they say ogumeho, you know. You can say gambo mkogorove no sakisano gamba ogorove mama rundi orame mama, you know. Nasa gamba ogorove orame nganjani, meaning stay well or goodbye my friend, you know. Nganjani means a friend. In southwestern they will say ogumeho mama, you know, or ogumeho mutabani. Ikigambo ekindi ekiri western kandi kuntewe kusamono is when so gambo how are you? So how are you in western oriho or orohota in southwestern bajagamba gandi, you know. So no sagamba orohota mama anagarukamu ni kurungi mutabani. In southwest they will say agandi no garkamu ndi marunji, you know. How are you? I'm fine. Yeah. Ekindi is are you fine or are you okay? In western tugamba oli kurungi, and in southwestern they will use buhoro, you know. So no sagamba oli kurungi mama, mama na kama ndi kurungi nganjani, I'm good my friend, you know. In western they will say buhoro, ugamba buhoroji, are you fine? Yes, I'm fine. Ali bigambe bindi because it's about both in western and southwestern. So binu kigambo ka kaije and Kumanyisa welcome. Ya so kile gambo nosakozesa omaziro wire wingi tokorora abanywani bawe arundi notangira abagenyi kandi kile gambo sokosa no kwata nengaro omuntu no muramuche, you know. Kaije, you know. no sagamba kaija woli nagarukamu ega kiki ikigambo ekindi used both in south and southwestern is muriyo. So kile gamro nibakosa muno noramukya abatahi bawe. Abatahi ni manyisa neighbors, you know. So ozunukire nyanchakara nogena mulimu no sakobaramukya rogamba muriyo muriyo aboko nibarukamu ego tuliyo are you there? We are there. Yeah, so ikigambo ki muriyo. Ekindi is ikigambo kosaba in southwestern kandi abahima nibo bakosa muno kandi kire gambo kosaba nkabana nikosaba owano obutone aniburamukya you know abakuru mu maka so no sagamba nka akana kasa nikaramukya mama wako nikasagamba imbahi mama mama na ramu imbahi mutabani. Yeah, so igambo abahima nibo bakozesa muno. Yeah. Okumalira is in western Uganda abaina abakama in Bunyoro and Toro baina abakama and omukama abaking. So bubanura mucho omukama ogamba in the morning ogamba zona okali. Interestingly omukama tagarukamu, you know, akuna bukuona. Mu good evening, you know, ogamba hangiriza okali. Okali tagarukamu. So hangiriza okali means okali means your royal highness, you know. Hangiriza okali means good evening, your royal highness, you know. Kandi good night or good evening or mukaira kairizo no gamba gorovia okali, you know. Good night to your royal highness. Omukama tagarukamu. So ezo nizo customs and cultures, you know, is Kitara. So kanihire endamukya yaitu ebasemize rundi mugigonzere mwebala barozi ba Kitara TV amabara nsigaire kugonze mpaka kiki ndi musaija muzazi kandi zara basaiki murare kurungi rundi musibe kurungi.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.
Hawali mogole kaita kasora katakamba mukibire kwanze zawara kiyora mbaire mpikire ngone tuli kumukono kwa ndetera inyo
beire ningira ndaita kanyagano mukere banyako wite toro yona yamboga irakulyo jumanikija oyeza kukwasengo ezakaye bwana mukubwa cyabibere mukaitalima entaleta kamba niyeita kwayeye no itabakuruze omukandala kwita bana omutunga zinda kurungi ubyama kwita kugoita onyaza kwita majani ebihimba byeta bihiki omukaza kamweta nubibi entamula byeta birazi ebinaga kabyeta bikurumo amaula geta mayayo wenkuba itasanzirana kanyageno bahikubi karwanirayo itogiza abantu amudobe kanyagwe kanya munyaturefu obuyine kintunga gambira nyo baduma omujumba leire kabare obuyine kintunga kaligita mukono go muganda kate batekaniza lyobufumbo baito badinginya lyobuhaige basisiriza lyobuhole kaisiki nyangurunda baito munyerera kuntumire munyanya bo akuligire etaleta gamba niyeita enjuleta yinda niyegwa omwana talira nuafa omukazi atalima nualya omukazi kironde tazala ensaka ye bwana mukubwa etaleta gamba niyeita omujumba sinda kurungi omujungu lwanyama kaiso nkasanga nachuli wema akakakuli ekibiriti omuliro gunzimirire kyamazima obutakulimba obuyite bukwe bwenyenyizi dala musokota akaba kwita